Good day and welcome to the Microsoft Excel application course. In today's video, we will be looking at the last two topics under entering and editing text, and those are using find and replace command and using the goto command. So, to show how this works, let's open one of our workbook, book 1 practice. So if we want to look for a word within our workbook or worksheet, we can simply do that by using the find command. And to do that, we go to home menu, under editing, you look at find and select, click the drop down and you click find. A dialog box appears, and let's say you want to look for the word shell. So make sure you click in the find what box and type shell, and you click find next, and immediately it finds the word shell. And you can click find next to keep looking for other occurrences, and just watch how the cell pointer moves, and you can also say find all, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's move this one up. So you see that it displays below all the occurrences of the word shell, and it says you can find them in cell J6, J7, J9, which are these ones. Okay, and when you are done, you can click close. You can also practice a little bit with the word life, and she say find next, and it finds the first occurrence here, find next, another one, and find all, and then you see three occurrences again, and G5, B6, B7, and there you see it. Okay, then we can close now, and that is about using find. But in some cases you want to find a word and also replace it with another word, right? So let's practice with that. So we go back to home menu, under editing, the find and select tab or icon, you click that and you click replace. The same dialog box appears, except that this time you are in replace, and we can always go back to find here, but this time we're working with replace, so we stay at replace, and let's type the word we want to find. We're going to look for shell, and let's replace it with let's see, mobile car. So let's find. So when you click, it finds the first occurrence, and you can say replace, and so it finds immediately the next occurrence, and you can say replace. You click find next again to keep finding and replacing, but you can also say, well, replace all. So let's do another find and replace, and just click replace again, and if you try to find, tells you, oh, there are no more occurrences because we couldn't find what you're looking for. So that means there's no more word shell in the workbook. So we click OK, and that's it. You can say, let's say, practice with life, and this time we'll say health. So let's just do find all, and here it tells you there are three occurrences of it, and let's say replace all, and all done. We made three replacement, and here is 1, 2, 3, and you can click OK, and that's how you can use replace command. And here you click close as well. And if you want to go from one cell to another, we already talked about moving from one cell to another by just clicking your mouse, but you can also use a command called goto. And let's say you want to use that, you go to home menu, find and select icon, and here you say goto. So here you can indicate which cell you want to go to. So let's say we want to go to, let's assume B14, to journal. There you can click delete and type B14, and if you say OK, then it takes the cell pointer to B14. Another thing you can do is you can go to a group of cells. So let's go back, home, go to, and here I can say I want to go to a group of cells from G3 to, let's say, K10. So here I will go in and I will type G3 and I'll put semicolon and I'll say K10. See what happens when I say OK. And you see that, so it highlights that entire bucket of cells for you. And that's basically how you can use the Goto. And you can also just move to where you want with your own mouse if you want. So this brings us to the end of the video and also to the end of the topic with text and working with text. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.